Welcome to How To with Husqvarna, where we show you how to take care of some of your favorite Husqvarna equipment. In this video, we're going to show you how to perform routine maintenance on your Husqvarna snow thrower. Before you begin, refer to your owner's manual for details including the personal protective equipment needed to service your Husqvarna snow thrower. If you need to locate an owner's manual, please visit Husqvarna.com. To service your snow thrower properly, you'll need the right tools and original equipment service parts ready to go at your workstation. Remember, always use the right tools and parts for the job. You'll need the following tools: gloves, safety glasses, a 3/8 drive spark plug socket, size to the spark plug, a 3/8 extension, and a 3/8 ratchet, pliers, both standard and needle nose, an oil drain pan, an oil funnel, shop towels. You'll also need the following service parts: an OEM spark plug, 1 quart of engine oil. Check the owner's manual for engine oil specs. Park your snow thrower on a solid level surface. Disengage all drive functions as needed. Make sure the engine is cooled down before you go to work. Remove the spark plug cap. Just twist and pull it. Inspect the cap and boot condition. Look for cracks or arc flash damage. Replace the cap if you see any damage. Put on safety glasses and use a compressed air nozzle around the spark plug. This keeps contaminants from getting into the engine. Use the ratchet, extension, and plug socket to loosen and remove the spark plug, turning counterclockwise. Get a new spark plug, then check and set the plug gap according to the engine manufacturer's specification. Thread the new plug into the cylinder head by hand, then run it down until it bottoms out and tighten a 1/4 turn. Reinstall the spark plug cap. Park your snow thrower on a solid, level surface. Then remove or open the dipstick to vent the engine crankcase. Set the drain pan under the engine drain spout. Remove the drain plug cap and drain the engine oil into pan. When the engine oil is fully drained, remove the funnel and pan, then reinstall the drain plug cap. Fill the oil to full as indicated on the engine dipstick. Reinstall and tighten dipstick. Start and run the engine for 15 to 30 seconds. Recheck the oil. Top it off as needed. Put on safety glasses and use compressed air and the tire chuck PSA gauge to check and set tire pressure evenly on both sides. Set the tires to the PSI recommended in the owner's manual. For this video, I'll set the tire pressure to 20 PSI for both tires. The skid shoes are adjustable at 2 slots using 12mm bolts. Set it so the housing stays 1/4 inch off the ground. Check for bearing wear and play inside the auger shafts. Check the ribbon cable for any kind of abnormal wear or bends. Check the scraper bar for any abnormal wear. Check the auger impeller belt. Visually inspect the V-belt, looking for weather and dry rot cracks, burnt spots, thin spots, or any visible damage. Check the auger belt tension and tension spring. Check the auger idler pulleys and bearings. Then inspect the flat and V-idlers for surface wear. Check the engine pulley. Make sure there's no wear showing on the flat or V-pulley surfaces. Replace any worn belts or pulleys as needed. Once you've completed all service procedures, run and test the engine and snow thrower operation for a few minutes. Engage the auger blades and drive wheels to ensure that everything works properly. Double-check the oil level, then top it off as needed. Clean up your machine and workstation. We hope this video helped you understand how to properly service your Husqvarna snow thrower. Remember, proper maintenance will help you maximize the performance and extend the life of your Husqvarna snow thrower. To learn more about keeping all your equipment on the cutting edge of performance, Check out our how-to with Husqvarna videos online. And thanks for choosing Husqvarna.